In photos, expansive items vertical bracket photos, ABC News. Now. Lamar Odom rehab. Kate Winslet. Toy copter death. Tony Abbott. Pillsbury recall. Robin Thicke. Good Morning America. World News. Nightline. 20/20. This week. Sign in. Home. Video. U.S. World. Politics. Entertainment. Tech. Health. Lifestyle. Money. Shows. GMA. World News. Nightline. 20/20. This week. More. Investigative. Money. Good news. Photos. ABC News vertical bracket Univision. Live. Weather preferences. Cancel. Set. Home. Video. U.S. World. Politics. Entertainment. Tech. Health. Lifestyle. Money. More. Investigative. Good news. Photos. ABC News vertical bracket Univision. Live. Home is greater than money. Rupert Murdoch's yacht in sales for $29.07 million. The media mogul is selling his yacht 3 months after filing for divorce. Share. 0. In photos, expansive items. Media mogul and News Corporation. CEO Rupert Murdoch is selling his luxury yacht for $29.7 million following his divorce from former wife Wendy. The 184-foot Rasa Hirdi has 6 cabins, Hermes leather furnishings, and a large jacuzzi. She comfortably accommodates up to 12 guests in a full-beam master suite, 2 identical VIP staterooms, 2 doubles and a single with Pullman berth, the listing states. Camper Nicholson's International. Photos. Queen's Green Daimler such as $63K photos. Inside Celine Dion's $72.05 M Mansion photos. Taylor Swift's childhood home sold photos. Christie's auctions off curiosities. Swedish House. ABC News on Facebook. Point market plus a bing point pin left curly bracket overflow. Hidden. Padding 10 BX 15 BX width. Auto. Float. Left right curly bracket. Sections. U.S. World politics weird news investigative health entertainment money technology travel recipes news topics live blog. Shows. New York Med Good Morning America World News with Diane Sawyer Nightline ABC's The Lookout this week with George Stephanopoulos 20/20 primetime. What would you do? ABC.com Royal Baby. Tools. iPad app register sign in Facebook Twitter blogs emails news alerts message boards RSS headlines. About. Contact us feedback advertising privacy policy interest-based ads terms of use ABC News store site map authors list ABC News vertical bracket univisiongo.com. External links are provided for reference purposes. ABC News is not responsible for the content of external internet sites. Copyright 2013 ABC News Internet Ventures. Yahoo! ABC News Network. Back to top. Unregistered software only convert part of file. Read help to know how to register right square bracket.